My girl, my girl, my girl. My girl, sundan natin. Sexy yan, sexy. My girl, how much is your budget for tonight?
Look this guy.
How much is your budget for tonight?
How much your budget for food?
For food. For you, for you. My girl, my girl. How much is your budget?
Kuya is laughing.
How much is your budget?
Only 5 dirham.
5 dirham. Okay, rich girl. 5 dirham. My friend, my friend. BJS, my friend. How much is your budget for food for tonight? Yeah,
15 dirham.
15 dirhams. Okay. Hi, my brother. How much the price of that, brother?
12 dirhams and 99 fils.
12 dirhams and 95 pills only. Wow, guy. How much is your budget for today, guy? Prime.
20 dirham.
20 dirham. For food for today, 20 dirham? My God, this one is rich boy. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. How much is your budget for food for today? How much?
Himalaya.
Himalaya. How much is the Himalaya?
Himalaya.
Okay. May Himala. Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi, handsome. How much is your budget for today, handsome? 100. Oh my God, rich guy. Hey, bro. How much is your budget for food for today?
100.
100. Oh my God. Hi, my friend. How much is your budget for dinner for today?
Very low budget.
Low budget, how much?
20.
20 dirham. Oh my God, they are rich. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. They have more budget. They have more budget for today.
What's your budget?